सभापति जी।
Namaskar ji, namaskar ji. Yes, now we take up the Mines and Mineral Development and Regulation Amendment 2016.
Let the Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs Minister clear whether this is going to be to discuss the point which we have raised. So, what does he have to say on this?
Oh, you have to say something?
सर सुबह मतलब 1 बजे बीएससी की जो बैठक हुई थी उसमें भी ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन ने इस मुद्दे को उठाया था और चर्चा के लिए उन्होंने कहा था। उस पर हमने कहा था कि इस पे चर्चा के लिए तैयार नहीं है। उसमें तमाम पहलुओं पर चर्चा हुई, संविधान के 151 आर्टिकल पे भी चर्चा हुई। उसके बाद ये तय हुआ कि ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन के ऊपर ये छोड़ दिया जाए, जो वो निर्णय करेंगे उस निर्णय से हम सब लोग बंधे हुए हैं और हम आपको और आपके माध्यम से हम ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स को विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि जो भी इस संबंध में चेयरमैन साहब का निर्णय होगा उसको हम सब लोगों के लिए मानेंगे।
I think that is okay. No.
Ready for a discussion?
No, that is what he said. See, I think he spoke in Hindi. You must have understood better than me. What he said is no.
पानी का पानी।
No, okay. What he said is government has no objection for discussion. Whatever decision is taken by the honorable chairman, the government is okay for that.
Stand.
Government is now not standing now.
Sir, लेकिन
Okay. All right. Okay, so let us have the business. Today we will have this business and then tomorrow we will come to that. Final decision.
on GSPC, what is the final decision?
This is see, after read Ramayan पूरा पढ़ के बाद पूछते गए सीधा कौन है? That is what you are asking now. I see what is said is that government will agree with, government has no objection for discussion if the honorable chairman decides to have a discussion.
जयराम जी सब कुछ समझ गए हैं और उनको जो है
No.
ट्रांसलेट
Some
करने की
people
जरूरत नहीं। He knows हिंदी better than us.
No, some people call delayed understanding. You know, delayed understanding. Like some light will glow only after some time. Delayed understanding. But now you understood. Okay. Now my answer. Now already you have moved and you have spoken also. बोल चुका है
कर दिया है, बाकी विचार कर।
हाँ अच्छा, now minister has already moved the bill. He has spoken also. Now I have names for speaking. Yes, Shantaram Nayak.
Sir, before I start speaking, I have got a point of order.
Yes.
Sir, on 28th of this month, April, the Defense Ministry has issued a statement in the PIB on Augusta land deal. An exhaustive statement has been issued. When Parliament is in session, a ministry has issued a statement in the PIB, Public Information Bureau, and therefore I have given a breach of privilege notice and I have prayed.
What is the government issuing statement?
No, question is this, they can't issue. Secondly, I have prayed that notice be admitted, it be referred to privilege committee and action may be taken as per the report. Number two, sir, shocking part is this. Second day, another minister gives a statement in PIB website. And who is that minister? Information minister. So I asked Mr. Parrikar whether he is the defense minister or Jaitley is the defense minister. That this clarification be also made.
You see,
Long statement by Mr. Jaitley.
what is the harm in minister giving a statement? What is the harm in minister giving a
When
statement? I
Parliament
am
is
not
there,
able,
you
I am
give
not able to understand.
No, give a ruling that any minister can give a statement.
about which the House is yet to discuss. The past precedents, conventions and the rules are very clear. When the House is in session on any important matter,
That's a if it is a policy matter.
sir, this is also, well, it is as close as that. How do you differentiate between the two? When the House was in session, what prevented the defense minister to come to the House and give the statement here? Why they are using, sir, what is happening? On one hand, this government is trying to say that, well, they want a discussion, which we have, LOP, me, all of us have said, yes, we will have it. But last 3 days, and the government must answer, a subject which has been bulletined for discussion on the 4th. Individuals, various TV channels, journalists have been given sensitive documents of the CBI, of Enforcement Directorate and of the Defense Ministry. There should be an inquiry and the government must answer us. Who gave the documents? And then you have ministers
All
making
right.
statements, posting
Okay.
them on the PIB website, not coming to the House. But this selective leak. Sir, there is still the Official Secrets Act. These are 3 sensitive wings of the government. We are talking of MOD, Air Force Headquarters, CBI, and ED.
Okay, all right.
Who-
Now,
no,
now
sir.
I understood.
Oh,
No, no.
Who has leaked?
Yeah.
We demand this inquiry
Okay,
now.
okay.
Who is giving the selective leaks?
All right. Now I
And-
understand.
and
I
this
got
is
to your
The
point.
Dirty Tricks Department, which is coordinated centrally in this government.
Okay,
to
fine.
target, defame,
I got
blame,
your point.
and misuse the offices.
Okay, now,
I think his privilege.
yeah.
Notice is very
Okay.
important and we support it.
yeah, anyhow, he has given notice. If he has given notice, that will be examined. Now you can speak. Now,
Who has
now,
given him information?
now you can start
Yes, yes.
speaking.
Yes, sir, thank you. Sir, in fact, I stand to,
What is the ruling? I said his notice will be examined. Honorable Chairman will examine. No, matter you,
It will not be examined. The ruling will be on.
you also
Shankar
spoke on
Naik's
the
name.
same subject.
No, sir. I spoke about the leaks. The government selectively leaking.
The channels.
And if the government is not,
No, that
who has
is-
leaked?
you see,
we demand the government
no,
institutes an
that,
inquiry. Sir,
I
if there is an
understood.
ongoing inquiry in
Okay.
a sensitive
If,
defense
see, if
matter,
a subject is slated
I have
for,
raised it.
I will tell you.
let the government respond.
No, listen.
How these documents
I
have
will
been
say
given.
that, let us do it. If the subject is later for discussion in the House, government should come to the House and reply. No problem.
sir.
I agree that.
Sir, it is a question of how they are misleading.
No, when the
public
discussion comes, you
opinion
can raise
through
it.
selective leaks of sensitive documents.
No, that's what I am saying. Anyhow,
Sir, which government, if it is not complicit at the highest level, will have this scenario
No.
where every document
anyhow, the
which they want to be
subject
misread
is later
is
for
being leaked
discussion,
out?
isn't it? Subject is later for discussion
Yes, it
on
has.
Wednesday. At that time, you can raise
I am
all these
talking of-
points.
I am talking of
At that time,
ED
you can raise
documents,
all these
CBI
points.
papers. They are misusing in
No.
any case these agencies.
You can
Now
raise-
these agencies. Now what will be the credibility
No,
that
you-
any document
you
they
raise
want
it
or the
at that
BJP
time.
headquarter wants, they get it and they leak it.
Okay, Anesh
That
Sharmaji.
is what is happening.
Anesh Sharmaji, you can raise it at the time of discussion. All these points, you can raise